Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Samiha Ahmed, and inshallah today we will study the Arabic alphabet. So the first letter is Hamza, Hamza, and it looks like incomplete circle with a tail. Incomplete circle with a tail. So the letter Hamza looks like incomplete circle with a tail. And then the second one, Alif, Alif. It looks like a straight line. So the letter Alif, it looks like a straight line, or it looks like number one. So this is the second letter. And then we have a group of three letters. The first one is Ba, Ba, and then Ta, Ta, and then Tha, Tha. So the first one is called the letter Ba, and it has one dot in the bottom. So the first one has one dot on the bottom. And then we have the letter Ta, has two dots on the top. Two dots on the top. Two top. Two top. And then the letter Tha has three dots in the top. Three dots on the top. So again, the first one is called the letter Ba and has one dot in the bottom. Ba, bottom. Ba, bottom. Ba, bottom. And then the letter Ta has two dots on the top. Two, top. Two, top. And then we have the letter Tha has three dots on the top. Three, Tha. Three, Tha. And then we have another group of three sisters. So the first one is the letter Jim, 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 and then the letter Ha, 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 and then the letter Kha, Kha, Kha. So the first letter is called the letter Jim, and it has a head and a big stomach and one apple inside. So the first one has one apple inside, and then the letter Ha has no apples, has no dots. So this one is very hungry. Okay, so this one is very hungry, has no dots and no apples. And then we have the letter Kha. The letter Kha has one dot on the top. So what is the difference between them? The first one has one dot inside, and then the next one has no dots, and then the third one has one dot on the top. But all of them have the same shape or the same form. Okay, now we will talk about the letter Dal and the letter Dal. They have the same shape or the same form, but the letter Dal has no dots, and the letter Dal has one dot on the top. Okay, and both of them are sitting down properly on the line. So again, both of them are sitting down properly on the line. Okay, so again, what is the difference between them? The first one has no dots, and the second one has one dot on the top. So this is the difference between them. And then we have the letter Ra and the letter Zay. So these letters are more curved. Okay, so the difference between the letter Dal and the letter Ra, the letter Dal is sitting down properly on the line, but the letter Ra is more curved. So this is the difference between the letter Dal and the letter Ra. And then we have the letter Zay, and the difference between the letter Dal and the letter Zay, that the letter Zay is more curved, but the letter Dal is sitting down properly on the line. And then we have the letter Sin and the letter Shin. The difference between them, the letter Sin has no dots, but the letter Shin has three dots on the top. Three dots on the top. And then we have the letter Sad and the letter Dad. So the letter Sad is the heavy sound, of the letter Sin. So what is the difference between the letter صاد and the letter سين? The letter سين is a light sound, but the letter صاد is a heavy sound. So this is the difference between them. Okay, now we will talk about the letter ضاد, and the letter ضاد is a heavy sound. The letter ضاد is a heavy sound, but the letter دال is a light sound. So